लॉ ऑफ क्योर, नेचर्स लॉ ऑफ क्योर, ये प्रकृति के ऊपर पूरी आधारित है। और प्रकृति में एवरी फेनोमेना डिपेंड्स ऑन द टोटालिटी. We think that the health also is a natural phenomenon. Disease also is a natural phenomenon. तो डिजीज को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए, मेडिसिन को आइडेंटिफाई करने के लिए एक टोटालिटी का होना जरूरी है. नेचुरल फेनोमेना व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग, लाइक मॉर्निंग हैज ए टोटालिटी, नो. सन विल राइज, बर्ड्स विल मेक साउंड, थोड़ा उजाला होगा और लगेगा कि ऐसा है कि आप समझ जाएंगे कि ये सवेरा है. रेनी सीजन हैज ए टोटालिटी, इवनिंग हैज ए टोटालिटी, नाइट हैज ए टोटालिटी. सो एवरी इवेंट ऑफ द नेचर हैज ए टोटालिटी एंड वी कैन आइडेंटिफाई एवरी फेनोमेना ऑफ द नेचर बाय टोटालिटी. तो टोटालिटी इज द मेन थिंग बिकॉज होम्योपैथी इज बेस्ड ऑन नेचर्स लॉ. तो हम डिजीज को समझते हैं टोटालिटी ऑफ सिम्टम, कॉमन सिम्टम्स. पेशेंट को समझते हैं टोटालिटी ऑफ अनकॉमन प्रेजेंटेशन, कैरेक्टरिस्टिक सिम्टम्स. एफोरिज्म 153. तो वही एक ऐसा साधन है जिससे कि हम समझते हैं कि व्हाट मेडिसिन विल कम. इवन पैथोलॉजिकल टोटालिटी शुड बी देयर. अभी आप कोई भी मेडिसिन देते हैं, देयर हैज टू बी सम बेसिस. बिना बेसिस के आप अगर देगो, so that medicine will not work. देखो एक केस आया था हमारे यहाँ. It was a case of cough. IAS ऑफिसर की लड़की का था, 7 years old, and every kind of syrups she has taken. Every kind of Ayurvedic, that चूरना and अदरक, काली मिर्च, हनी, वो सब लेके खांसी उसका ठीक नहीं हुआ. And the presentation what she gave was having only common symptoms. तो बात करते करते दूसरे सिटिंग में एक ऐसा सिम्टम मिला, कफ ओनली एट नाइट. सारा दिन खेलती है, शाम को जब स्कूल से आती है तभी भी खेलती है, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम, बट ओनली व्हेन शी गोज टू बेड कफ स्टार्ट्स. और फिर सुबह उठेगी तो देयर इज नो. और कफ वेरी डीप था. केंट्स लेबोरेटरी में सी द कफ रूब्रिक एट नाइट, उसके जस्ट नीचे एक छोटी सी सब रूब्रिक है, ओनली एट नाइट. उसमें कॉस्टिकम. फिर मैंने कॉस्टिकम को देखा कि इसका फीचर मिलता है क्या, एकदम एग्जैक्टली मिलता है. एंड यू कांट बिलीव, 1 dose of causticum 30 cured her whole problem. हमने इसीलिए उसको एक ही डोज दिया, एक पुड़िया बना के दिया. तब हम फादर बुलन में प्रिंसिपल थे, ओपीडी में वो लोग आते थे, बहुत पेशेंट आते थे. हमने कहा कि ये ले जाओ, आज रात को खिलाना, आधा घंटा पहले सोने के. उसने कहा सर हमारे घर में आके देखिए बोटल्स की बोटल सिरप पड़ी है, इससे क्या होगा एक छोटी मेडिसिन से. हम बोले नहीं, बस इतना ही ले जाओ, मॉर्निंग टुमारो यू हैव टू फोन एंड टेल मी हाउ इज द बेबी. Next day morning, you know what phone was there, what IAS officer told me, doctor, first time in 4 months we all slept nicely. क्योंकि कोई नहीं सो पाता था, बच्ची खांस रही है, आप सोच रहे हैं. So all slept nicely because baby slept nicely and baby felt better. तो totality has to be there. तो हमने पहले केस में दिखाया कि टोटालिटी कैन क्योर इवन अनडेवलप्ड यूटरस एंड हेल्प द पेशेंट टू कंसीव. क्योंकि कैलकेरिया अदरवाइज ऑल्सो मेडिसिनल इज डिस्क्राइब्ड बाय ऑटो लेसर कैंट दैट इट हैज लॉट ऑफ गुड एक्शन इन द टोटालिटी ऑन द जेनिटल्स, द ग्रोथ ऑफ जेनिटल्स. सेकेंड केस हम देखेंगे, हमारे पास एक और केस है, देन आई विल कंक्लूड. This is a bilateral gynecomastia with associated retroesternal chest pain, aggravated after consuming curd and poha. Associated complaints are recurrent tonsillitis, sensation of obstruction in throat, swelling of lymph glands without pain or fever. तो इसमें कंप्लेन मेन है gynecomastia, and the other things are all associated conditions like consumption. And this is the testosterone level. See, the testosterone level is less than normal. So our purpose will be, even investigation wise, the normal report should come and the symptom also should be better. Then only it's a total cure. Appetite and craving, strong craving for chicken, salty food, chocolates, can eat large quantity at a time. Prefers to have Pepsi or other cold drinks along with non-vegetarian food. वो ऐसा पेशेंट बोलता था, इतना अच्छा लगता है, इतना नॉन-वेज फूड हो और एक पेप्सी हो, कितना भी खा लेता है वो, और खा के एकदम इतना फैटी हो गया, gynecomastia हो गया कि मतलब he is feeling shy to go out and walk on the road. Bowel habits, irregular motion, lazy to attend nature's call, tall and overweight, profuse sweating especially while eating. Mind has slow, needs to be reminded multiple times to complete his own task. Feels that people are observing him when he walks outside, becomes shy and upset due to this. Owns a shop in the Middle East with several employees working under him. According to his father, he is careless and irresponsible. Not married due to shyness about his gynecomastia and weight. Feels he has an ugly look because of excessive weight. He is 5 feet, but weight is 110 kg. Gym membership, has taken many membership of the gym, but he is not regular. He does not attend. Chilly, low libido with small sized genitals, prefers resting all the time, does not feel like doing any work, lacks persistence, starts many tasks but does not work hard and often abandons them midway. ये है उसकी टोटल पिक्चर. अब इसमें से आप देखेंगे कि क्या क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है. टेक दोज कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एंड repertorize. Your medicine will come. So these are the rubrics we have taken. You can see some characteristics like sweating, like cravings, and like some of the organs remedy, locations also we have taken. This is Boehringer method. And the medicine comes sulfur, lichen, calcarea. Analysis, sulfur has 7 symptoms with 21 marks, Lyco 8 symptoms with 20 marks, Calcarea 9 symptoms it covers with 18 marks. What medicine you will give, it's very clear I think. See, once you have a case in your hand, analyze the symptom, met the totality, that time only your half of the concept should be clear. And a group of medicine should come in your mind. So these are the groups, and final prescription was Calcarea. Why Calcarea was prescribed is there is a tendency for obesity, fat accumulation, and it's a glandular affections. Strong aversion to cold, easily catches cold, and profuse sweating especially while eating. ये आप रेपर्टरी में देखो, कैलकेरिया गैस 3 marks. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम ऑफ कैलकेरिया इज जब खाना खाता है तो इतना उसमें उसको परिश्रम लगता है कि स्वेटिंग आ जाती है और उसको खाना भी ज़्यादा है. सो दिस इज वन कैरेक्टरिस्टिक एज वेल एज यू कैन से वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सिम्टम ऑफ कैलकेरिया. Lazy to attend nature's call, irregular motion, feels shy about his body, not persistent, leaves work unfinished. So these are all characteristics of the calcarea. Low libido, small genitals. He was given calcarea cup 30 once a week with daily 4 pills, twice nihilinum. Report after 3 months. Since he is from Gulf mostly, so he said that I cannot come very often, I will come once in 3 months. And he came after 3 months with the report. Libido has increased and size of breast too has decreased. Testosterone reports to have become normal. And this is the testosterone report. So this is thanks to the repertorization, totality and homeopathy. This PCOS, I am not going to discuss much what is the cause and things. But I will tell you one thing. PCOS has become a very, very common problem nowadays. Most of the girls who are studying for medicine, studying for engineering, are those who are working in forces, especially BSF, CRPF, all those where there is a lot of stress, tension, and challenging job. See, challenging is a hormone which causes more of testosterone because the male habits are more of challenging. Now, because of social circumstances, females are coming up with the challenges, and that causes more estrogen, and it causes problem with the balance of menstruation, other hormones. So this is becoming a problem. Most of the girls who are in career, they have this PCOS problem. So along with the medicine, we have to see what kind of things are causing stress. That is very, very important thing in management of PCOS. PCOS is not a disease, but it's a created disease because of stress due to hormone imbalance. So keep this in mind. Because you take the case, now while taking the case only, the patient should understand that I have a stress. You have to make patient aware what is causing PCOD. If you are able to make patient aware, half of the things are over. That is why it is said, no, a well-taken case is half cured. So make patient aware about the problems and then prescribe on the basis of totality. There was a case of a medical student. These are all literature about the PCOS. This is a girl who was second year of MBBS, and she has a lot of problems. She used to take only the medicines for periods. Every 21 days she used to get periods. But after that, they said, you go for insulin investigation, and they were giving medicine for diabetes. So the family said that no more allopathy medicines, and they came for homeopathy. So there are totalities before, during, and after menses. I was telling you, in every female, you must take very important symptom of the menses. Before menses, during menses, and after menses. What are the changes before menses on the level of mind, even the physicals? See, some ladies develop craving for something before the periods. Very, very important symptom. Some have PMS, changes in the mind like irritability, sadness, crying. All those things are not happens to everyone. So where it happens, it has to be recorded and it has to be given importance in evaluation of symptoms. So here I will just go to the case. This is the totality of symptoms. This is Bogart's method of prescribing we have got. And here also Calcarea, Silicea and Lyco comes. See, most of the hormonals I find, Calcarea group, Lyco group and Silicea. They are very important medicine for most of the endocrine problems. And here slowly she became better and there was no ultrasound problem in PCOS. Thyroid problems are very common nowadays. And one case of hypothyroidism, I will tell you, this is the last case. Thyroid problems, you can, if you get 10 patients, I assure you, 2 patients will be having thyroid problem. Ask for TSH checkup. It's a become lifestyle disease, it's a become hormonal imbalance, stress oriented, food oriented, sleep oriented, mobile oriented, everything has effect on the thyroid. Even this mobile causing late nights and getting up late, people become little slowly fat, irregular periods, ask for thyroid checkup. and you will find there is a problem with the TSH. Here there is just a recent case. 32 years old lady reported with increasing weight with severe tiredness and menstrual irregularities. She had the following features: thermally hot, moderately built, irritable, especially before menses, dictatorial, controls everyone and every happening in the home, domineering at home, bowels irregular, once in 2-3 days, hard and fast, when the stool is hard and first part is very hard, feels insufficient and incomplete. Menses since 8 months not regular, has